The Sunjoe 2000 PSI pressure washer has 3 quick connect spray nozzles or spray tips. Right now I have the 15-degree tip on because I'm going to clean off the patio table here and then spray a little bit of the furniture. Going to work my way down to the deck, and then when we get down to some cushions that are a little more delicate, I'm going to change up the spray tip nozzle so it's a little more delicate on the surface that I'm working on. So here we go. You can see, once I hit that trigger, it gives me the power to clean. Plenty of reach, get everything off. Table's nice and clean. Spray down, clean off the chairs, get rid of some of the debris that's up on the deck. The other cool thing is this gives plenty of pressure to it that if you need to restain your deck and you got some loose paint or stain on there, you don't have to use a sander now. Use your pressure washer to get rid of that loose stuff so when you put the stain on, it adheres much better. And you can see, it's easy. It goes exactly where I want it. It's got plenty of power. Watch this. Look at all the debris we had in there. Easy to clean out, make everything look new. But now when I get down to my cushions here, I don't want to use the 15-degree tip because that's really aggressive. So all I simply do is take the quick connect, pop this guy off, take this here, we'll go ahead and put the 40-degree tip on. It clicks into place so you know that it's locked on there. So now, watch, these cushions have some dirt and debris on them. We're going to clean them off. And look how easy that is. It gets them nice and clean, yet I didn't damage any of the fabric because that's the beauty of having different spray tips. The 40-degree tip here is a lot less aggressive than the 0 tip that we're going to put on next. So the 0 tip one's really neat because it really blasts away at things. Again, all you simply do is pull down, take one of the clips off, take your new one, clip it on, click it into place. This is my 0-degree nozzle. Watch this guy. We're going to get rid of some of the roots and some of the stuff in there and blast away at it. You want to clean the patio pavers, you can go ahead and do that. It really has the power to get down in there and really clean. But the other great thing about the 0-degree tip is, watch, look at the reach. I can clean all the way up here into the eaves. So if you want to get rid of the cobwebs, the bee's nest, any debris that might have been built up in there, you can see I have plenty of reach to get up in there and clean, yet I'm standing here with my 2 feet on the ground. That's the beauty of having a Sunjoe 2000 PSI pressure washer. It gets the job done.